Oh, this is sweet. 45. All right, Mike, now it's up to you.
Yeah, I got
You all right, Joe?
Okay. All right, this is the position.
All right, almost. A little bit more. Right there. Stop.
Perfect. This is how you go like this when you're doing tug of war. Slightly out of vertical.
Well, we can adjust for that on that. Yeah.
Because we need this much shim underneath right in there.
Man, that's beautiful.
Okay.
So how hard were the four of you working to lift that? Not bad at all? Not very bad.
Okay.
You know what I would suggest? Let's throw that bag on the end. Staying on the side. Yeah.
Hey, Erica.
Yeah.
Next time you come out, you got a short level.
Yeah.
Bring a level, and then we can tweak it once you get it up.
Okay.
All right,
Ready?
guys, you guys are going to all stay out from under the tower as you're bringing it down?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, give me a little bit of slack. A little bit more. A little tug on that side to bring it. All right. Now walk it down. You know, I'm not real comfortable with the way you guys are doing it. What? No, over here. No.
Bob and Joe got to let a little more out, it looks like.
Go slow.
Okay. Yeah, just take it slow.
What an opening there.
All right. Walk back and put your hands on it.
I'm not catching anything. I'm just taking the slack out.
That was